Bulga
Reserve. Yep.
Bulga Reserve. It's a nice little free camp. We were not planning to really hang around the Hunter Valley. We were sort of, no, next place. And then we did a bit of research and saw there is actually some cool things to look at. We'd go check out the big Ugg boot.
Yes. We thought we'd slowed down, but to be honest, we need to slow down a lot more.
There's a lot of stuff in this area that we want to have a look at. So,
yeah, we're still not going to see everything, but there's no sense in just blowing past it all to say that we're travelling, but we only just get to a camp and we see the camp. We don't see the in-between.
Finally, he's learned. That's so good. Okay, well, ready for our day? We're taking you on our adventure.
Well, we're at Curry. Ooh, I'm not sure. Curry, one of those places. Big kookaburra right behind me. They're mining town, so obviously it was built on mines. They have a heap of these painted murals around the town. You can sort of see. Murals.
Like murals.
They have a heap of murals around this town. And the one I liked the most though was their statue in remembrance of the miners from when they first started with the Clydesdale pit horses, a handle or a wheeler they called them, and 4 miners.
How cool is that? On the fire station. And here we feel like we're actually in someone's home. This is the outside of their home. Welcome to their home.
Being from North Queensland, the old cold and rainy and windy weather really takes its toll, so we thought we might pop into Mortels to buy some Ugg boots. We did the we didn't do the tour because they only run from 11 on certain days. You need a minimum of 6 to do the tour. You get to walk around it anyway, so I'd rather just walk around it and read everything it says.
Okay, amazing fact about sheeps. Do you know that they have a 300-degree view? So they have excellent peripheral vision. However, their vertical vision is not very good, so they won't see a drop bear up in the tree ready to attack them. Just some facts for you. Second fun fact, Cain, did you know if a sheep and a goat mate, that their offspring are called a geep? Have you seen a geep before?
No, but it's very geepy. But we did purchase ourselves a couple of sneaky little Ugg boots just to keep me tootsies warm because... Well, if you're in Cessnock and you want to stop for a bite to eat like we did for lunch, try out the Bridges Hills Park. There's barbecues up top there, that's where we sat, we didn't use them. We bought some hot chook and chips, which is awesome, but there's kids' playgrounds, there's toilets. They even tell me there's a walk up the hill. Where have you been?
Checking out an awesome park. If you have kids, you need to come to the Bridge Hill Park at Crestbrook. It is so cool. And the toilets are pretty good too.
Yes, I'm sitting in the car because she's again at the toilet. We only went to the toilet at the shopping centre, we went to the toilet here, we went to the toilet in Curry. We spend a lot of times in the toilet.
We know where all the good toilets are. That's our little camp there tonight. We're actually probably going to stay here about 3 nights. Why not? It's free and we can explore the Hunter Valley right from here. Probably about half an hour drive to where we want to go each day, check out things in the Hunter Valley, but at all this room, all to ourselves. What are you doing, Cain? What happened?
Look, I might have blamed you for giving me the Coke the wrong way, but I picked it up like an idiot and it fell out of my hand like an idiot and Coke went everywhere.
Look at it. It's all on the floor everywhere.
Have we got a raggy cloth?
I can't believe someone would waste good Coke. Like, seriously. Sorry, Cain, did you say that you've learnt your lesson?
No, I said you've learnt your lesson. Don't let your husband touch things in the car.
Yeah, would you like a Coke? Yeah, no.
Yes, please. Can I have a little sip?
Oh, is it around the right way? Oh, he got it in his mouth.
Oh, that's all I wanted. That's it.
You wouldn't believe it. He actually held it and dropped it straight between his legs and it just like bounced and put Coke everywhere. Seriously, don't drink and drive, people. Don't drink and drive.
We just went to the Hunter Distillery and did $5 test tubes. So you get 6. You get to taste either gin, vodka, or the liqueurs. There are some hard, strong liquors. I think they've got about 3 or 4, but if you have them, they're more than your standard drink. So we did the vodka and liqueurs, but I tell you what, they are actually really tasty. I could have bought one of everything of the 6 that I had. So we ended up choosing the butterscotch snaps, which was yeah, it is really tasty. Look, again, I'll be a bit controversial, but I think the Hunter Valley is better than Margaret River, because within 5 kilometres,
that is controversial.
They are everywhere and they're massive. There's monster golf clubs attached to some of these. It's huge business here.
We weren't actually going to go into any of the wineries, but some of them look really pretty.
They do.
Tomorrow, do you reckon tomorrow we should just go and check some of them out?
I think we should come back. So, like, some of these buildings are enormous and pretty, and yeah, there's something else here. So yes, definitely getting ourselves out and about at some wineries tomorrow.
Check out that butterscotch schnapps. Here you go, Cain. Here's your butterscotch schnapps.
Butterscotch snaps.
Cheers to butterscotch snaps. Let's try it. Oh, that's just delicious. We've just got the schnapps and ice, and that's all I need to drink it. Oh my goodness, I could just drink heaps of that.
I'd love a dob of ice cream in there on it.
Oh, it just tastes like butterscotch, doesn't it?
Yes.
Oh, yum. So delicious. So if you're in the Hunter Valley and you're not really into wines like us, tell ya, check out the Hunter Distillery. We love their butterscotch snaps. I also would have got choc mint, and Cain probably would have got the mango one as well.
Yes.
So definitely come check it out.
Just a little bit.
That's a little bit.
Whoa, that's too much.
It's butterscotch snaps. There's never too much.
Okay, there's never too much.
Oh, look at that sunset.
Yeah.
Cheers.
Ready? Begin.
We thought we'd better start the day with a little bit of exercise before we go do some more taste testing in the Hunter Valley.
Completed for any one set.
Well, we've taken a day trip up to Wollombi, W-O-L-L-O-M-B-I, however you want to say it, and we are in one of the oldest mainland Catholic churches in Australia. Anglican? Although they said Catholic. It's got Catholic. We seem to be...
You're right, it's Catholic.
Yes,
we like Catholic churches.
We like Catholic churches. We seem to have plenty of them, but I'm telling you, this one here out at Wollombi is really well kept. It's beautiful. Very, very quaint little church.
We spent the next few hours just wandering around Wollombi, checking out all the cool sculptures, the forge, which was amazing to see all the bits and pieces that they had welded together and things they had collected. There was churches, there was history. There is so much to check out in this tiny little town. Make sure you get down and have a look. Hey, we've just been checking out Wollombi, and the best part is in the Hunter Valley, checking out all their produce. At the moment, we're trying ice cream. Gelato, made in the Hunter Valley, and it is delicious. Creamy,
It's pretty good. My flavour's better than her flavour, but...
It's Snickers. How can it be better than choc mint? Yum!
Right.
Okay, so I had a poll on Instagram to see what everyone thought I should go and have a look at. They said all above pretty much, but the chocolate and fudge place was also pretty high on their list. So we went and checked them out, the Hunter Valley Chocolate Company. We decided to try some different things. Our son told us we have to try different things.
New stuff. He said if you go somewhere new, try new, because you can have the regular stuff at home. So we're trying new.
So we have bought pineapple and coconut chocolate. Peaches and cream chocolate sounds delicious. This was the one that got us the most. Musk infused. We love the smell of musk, so that will be interesting. And then we had to, of course, try out some fudges. So we went a cowboy. Anyone who's had a cowboy shot, they reckon it's like that. It's Bailey's and cream and all that in there. And something a bit different. We tried a passion fruit one. So we haven't tested them out yet. We'll tell you once we test them out what they're all like.
I'm sure we'll be testing them out.
Yeah, I was going to say
dinner. That's dinner.
I haven't organised tea tonight,
That's
so obviously
right.
it's
Cheese and chocolate.
We were just at the Hunter Valley Cheese Company. Had a tasting platter, which you probably just saw. It was delicious.
All the cheeses. I got all 5 cheeses I could have eaten. We had 2 that were a little bit not quite where we wanted.
We ended up coming out with this little bag, about $80 worth, but everything is made locally. And all the cheeses in that are made on the site. So I got gluten-free crackers that were delicious. We got the cheddar cheese, which was probably our favourite, wasn't it, Cain?
Yeah, I'd say the cheddar.
Yep, that was our number one. Then probably our other real favourite.
No, number one favourite is this. This is the bomb. I'm gonna have to tell Trina's dad this is how you make it.
Yeah, sorry Dad, these are the best pickles. I'm probably going to be broke after being in the Hunter Valley. We loved all the produce that we could find here. Didn't even go to a winery, but cheeses, chocolates, liqueurs, vodkas, tell you, ice cream, we had it all. Loved it. Definitely get yourself down to the Hunter Valley. Even if you're not a wine drinker, definitely worth it. Do it!
Cheers!
And that is the end of our Hunter Valley adventure. We have loved it.
It has been really, really good.
So I hope you enjoyed the episode and follow along for more. Like, subscribe.
Yes.
As I keep telling my mum, it doesn't cost you anything to subscribe. So
No,
come on
doesn't.
down.
Yep. Till the next one.
Cheers. Cheers.
Got a new friend. Look at him. Look how big he is. Look. He's huge. Massive. Monstrous.
Pretty good way to end an episode, Cain. What do you think?
Yeah, are we ending it here?
We've had an awesome time in the Hunter Valley, so loving
we
it.
haven't finished it yet.
And this is what I have to put up with as we drive.
What? You don't like
I want to eat it, but I don't want to eat it because it's just so pretty.
Probably be my only gripe about Bulga. We had a great sort of 5 days here, and then in the last, certainly from last night, is all these bloody dogs showed up and they just let them all run free. They poop and pee and run through your camp, and yeah, so we'll move on today. That showed up with their dogs is just let them all off the leash and they run around everywhere, and there's